Hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying a lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'll be showing you on how to make a dance redeem for either Twitch or a command for YouTube, so that way you can just have a party in your own streams and stuff like that. Especially if you go into the Discovery tab and go to Miscellaneous, and you be seeing some very cool animations, especially some particular animations I've converted to Warudo for you guys. So, in order to be able to make those redeems, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Add Blueprint. We're going to rename this into Dance Redeem. Click OK. Then what you're going to do, we're going to start off with Twitch, and then I'll show you the YouTube alternative. We're going to type in Twitch, and then use channel points redeemed. Then what we're going to do is that we're going to do string contains. Then we're going to type out if branch, like so. Connect exit to enter. Reward title to A, and output boolean to condition. We're going to call this dance time. And what this is that if that channel point redeem is named dance time, if that's true, what we're going to use is we're going to type in animation, and then we're going to use the play character idle animation. You can actually also, depending on your case, you can also do play character one shot overlay. Now, in case you're wondering what's the difference between these two nodes, so let's say, for example, there's an animation, from Warudo, so the ones over here by default, the ones, let me show you, all the way up here. So let's say like short dance here, for example, what this will do is that when you play this animation will automatically turn your character, it'll make your character dance, and then it'll immediately turn your character back to your idle state when the animation is done. However, there may be some cases where some animations, for example, if you were to download one of my animations, the one that's bling blung 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 blung, that one you cannot use the one shot one, because this one has a very short looping to it. So kind of use these depending on what animations you're using for. You can use one shot here for the default Warudo ones if you want it where, after the animation's done. So for instance, let me show you, so you can connect that here, set that to character, and then if that redeem is played, press enter. I'm gonna dance, 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 and then boom, see? Now I'm back to my idle state for that case. But of course, if you want to play longer, then what you're going to do is you'll use play character idle animation, set that to if true, enter, set that to character, animation, we'll use the bling blang blah 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 thingy thing, and then I'm going to then duplicate this, and instead of the bling blah 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 blah, I'm going to go ahead and set this to generic or none. And then I'm going to use a delay control flow, have it in between these two, like so. And then we're going to set this to 5 seconds. Again, this is just for demonstration purposes, of course. And I just have to, actually, I should also set this to generic, actually, instead of none. Yeah, generic. And then, so to that dance motion to generic, to your idle state, you then press enter. It'll do it for 5 seconds. Dun 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 dun. And then boom, now you're back to normal. And that's pretty much how you can do a dance redeem. Now, of course, you can turn this into one that's compatible for YouTube simply by, again, duplicating the blueprint here. We can go ahead and rename this to YouTube, or just marking it as YouTube. And then all you have to do is replace the Twitch channel point redeem. Delete that. Type in YouTube. Chat received. Connect exit to enter. Message to A. And here, exclamation mark dance. And that way it becomes a command. And Pretty much you have to make sure that on, menu settings here, you have to make sure that your Twitch account and or YouTube account have already been registered in, and you can just start having fun. Again, for YouTube, you can't get rid of this window, unfortunately. But if you do want to have it where the YouTube setup is like having like a channel point system like Twitch, there's someone else who makes a very good tutorial on how to do it for StreamerBot, so I will leave in the description below on the setup I actually use in order to have a sort of channel point system but for YouTube. So I'll leave those resources in the description below. But otherwise though, that's pretty much how you can make a dance redeem in Warudo. I hope that you do have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye! Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me, and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey goodbye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!